Namaste, Dr. Divya here, welcoming you all in the session of yoga therapy. Today we are going to learn about the aspects of arthritis. What is the meaning of arthritis? What are the symptoms behind it? And also, what is particularly the diagnostic criteria of arthritis and how to prevent it, and a little bit how to control it with your diet. So, we'll learn about it. So, what is arthritis? It is a disease that causes damage in your joints. Joints are in a places of your body where two bones meet actually. Some joints naturally wear down as you aged. Lot of people develop arthritis after that normal lifelong wear and tear. Some types of arthritis happen after injuries that damage a joint. Certain health conditions also cause arthritis. Arthritis can affect any joint, but it is most common in people. Hands, wrist, knees, hips, feet, ankles, shoulders, lower back, which is particularly the lumbar back spine, it is affected. A healthcare doctor or provider will help you to manage these symptoms like pain and stiffness. Some people with severe arthritis eventually leads to a surgery to replace it, the joints, or visits a healthcare provider. If you are experiencing any joint pain that severe enough to affect that your daily routine, it feels like you cannot move as you on your joints as well as usual. So there are different type of arthritis as well. There are actually 100 different type of arthritis. Some of the most common includes, the first one is the osteoarthritis, which is the wear and tear. It comes under the arthritis. Second one is the rheumatoid arthritis that happens when your immune system mistakenly damage to your joints. Third one, the gout arthritis that causes the increase in the uric acid crystals in your joints. The fourth one, ankylosing spondylitis, arthritis that affects joints near your lower back, and the other psoriatic, which affects the psoriasis. Next one is the juvenile. Juvenile is in the kids and the teens younger than 16. Depending on which type of arthritis you have, it can break down the natural tissue in your joint, which is the degeneration, or cause inflammation, swelling in your joints. Some types cause inflammation that leads towards the degeneration. How common is arthritis? Arthritis is extremely common. Experts estimate that more than one third of Americans have some degree of arthritis in their joints. Osteoarthritis is one of the most common type. Studies have found that around half of all the adults will develop osteoarthritis at some point. So, what are the symptoms and causes behind it? Actually, the arthritis symptoms and the signs are the most common arthritis symptoms and signs include that the joint pain is also there, stiffness or reduced range of motion, how far you have come move a joint, it comes under that. Swelling, which is the inflammation, skin discoloration, tenderness or sensitivity to touch to around the joint. If you have like pain, a feeling of warmth near the joint you may need. When you experience symptoms, depend on which type of arthritis you have the joint it actually affects. So, sub types of arthritis cause symptoms in a waves that comes and go into the flares and flare ups. Other makes your joint feel painful or stiff all the time, and all being physically active also. What is the main cause of arthritis? What causes arthritis varies depending on which type you have. Osteoarthritis happens naturally as you increase with the age. A lifetime of using your joints can eventually wear down their cartilage cushioning. You may develop gout also if you have too much of uric acid in your blood, which is the hyperuricemia. Your immune system can causes arthritis also, including the rheumatoid arthritis, which is a damages your joints by mistake, and it is an autoimmune disorder as well. Certain viral infections, including COVID-19, can trigger many arthritis. Sometimes arthritis happens with no cause, no trigger. So if you feel you have to go to the doctors. And what are the risk factors? Anyone can develop arthritis, but some of factors may make more likely, which includes tobacco and use of smoking and use of other tobacco products. It increases the risk of arthritis. Second one is the family history. People whose biological family members have arthritis are more likely to develop it. Activity level. You might have been more active, so arthritis may develop for the active people as well. Other health conditions, having autoimmune diseases, obesity, any conditions that affects your joints increases the chances you will develop the arthritis. Some people have higher arthritis risk, include like people older than 50, and another one, people assigned the female at birth, the AFAB. Athletes also, especially those who play because they are using one part, so they may develop the in the knee arthritis or the osteoarthritis. People who have physically demanding jobs or do not work that puts a lot of stress on their joints, standing, crocheting, being your own hands, knees for a long time may develop the problem of arthritis. So again, that at what age does arthritis usually start? Arthritis can develop at any age, and it starts depend on which type you have and what's causing it. In general, osteoarthritis affects adults older than 50. Rheumatoid arthritis usually develops adults from 30 to the age of 60 as well. Other type you may have more direct cause, usually start closer to the specific trigger. For example, people with post-traumatic arthritis doesn't develop it until after the points if they injured. And also after you have had high uric acid levels at least for the several months. So talk to the doctor, healthcare providers for the unique arthritis problems. They may test the signs which is in your joint. So your arthritis test will taken by up with your doctor. So there are different diagnostic criteria as well, I must say. So it includes, the first one is the X-ray. Second is the ultrasound. Third is the MRI, which is the magnetic resonance imaging strategy. Another one, the CT scan. These tests can help your doctor can, to see your condition in the problem of arthritic conditions. And also in that problem, there are similar symptoms like bone fractures. So your provider may use blood tests to check the uric acid levels. If they think you have the gout, blood test and also shows the signs of infections and the autoimmune diseases, and it is a part of rheumatoid arthritis. So avoid eating foods may develop people like arthritis. So this can include that avoiding any type of anti-inflammatory fats, foods, lot of sugars, high salts, another than food may which include the beneficial or which is managing the symptoms. So you can have it. So the food like the whole rich foods and vegetables, which is focusing on the inflammatory fats and do not rising up the causes of the arthritis. So such as the curd, lemons, like this saw type of things, we are not recommended to you in the part of the diet. You may have had a little bit of, kashaya also, ras you can take, and along with that you can take a little bit of cough predominant, a little bit sweet, not too much in a higher amount, and reduce to take the anti-inflammatory food products. So this is all about the condition of arthritis, what are the symptoms of it, how the person is affecting, what are the types of arthritis, and how to prevent it in terms of a diet. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood this session very well, and thank you for the showering your love.